Looking for some late night eats. Yonkers, New York. We're at Taqueria Movil. It's snowing out, but that doesn't stop business and that doesn't stop my hunger. Today I got Birria tacos. And I also got nachos. First, let's do the birria. All right. Let's see what we got here. So birria is a slow, long stewed beef that is smacked inside of a taco, and they give the broth it was cooked in, they give it on the side. It's usually nice to do a little dip. Cheers. My God. That's hot. That's juicy. That's perfect for this snowy day. This is real comfort food right here. Wow, it's so hot, but I can't stop eating it. All right, now the nachos. Since I was already getting meat in the tacos, I just got meatless nachos. Let's see what they gave us. Oh, nice presentation. All right, let's take a nacho. Wow, these are nice and steamy. Oh, that's nice. Nice melted cheese, beans, sauce. This is very good. I love refried beans. Oh, that's nice. So good my hat fell off. These are really good nachos. The tortillas are hot, still oily. You can tell they just fried them. Fresh tortillas. Taqueria Movil. It's a food truck here on South Broadway by Park Hill. Yonkers, New York, open from 2:30 p.m. to 1 a.m. Late night eats. Who's cooking up fresh tortillas at midnight? This place is incredible. It took just 10 minutes to make this whole meal. That was the wait time, 10 minutes. Incredible. I can do the whole thing. Just drop some more consomé. And the broth that they give on the side of the tacos, it's not just a liquid. It literally has beef chunks all in it from the stew. Wow, look at this bite. Oh my God. That bite was even better than the first one. Wow. The meat is so tender. Wow. So they asked me if I wanted the birria tacos con todo, which means with everything. I said yes, and that's why I had lettuce and sour cream on top. Traditionally, they don't come with lettuce and sour cream, but I love me some sour cream, so I said yeah, throw everything on there. Last thing, I'm not putting my seatbelt because I'm driving away. I'm putting my seatbelt on because I'm opening the dessert. Tamarindo Jarritos. Ever had Jarritos? It is a Mexican staple soda. You find them at a lot of taco trucks. Seatbelt. Nothing ends a late night Mexican food truck adventure more than Jarritos. Tamarindo especially. Thank you everybody for watching. Peace and love.